Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video, and in this video we are going to solve this equation, which is a raised to the power b minus b raised to the power a is equal to 17, and from this equation we are going to calculate the values of a and b. So the first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as a raised to the power b, and in the power itself I'll write this as 2 divided by 2 minus of b raised to the power a, and in the power I'll write this as 2 raised divided by 2 is equal to 17. Now here I'm going to use a property of exponent that says that a raised to the power m multiplied by n can be written as a raised to the power n multiplied by m, which means the powers in an exponent form can be interchanged. So now this can be written as a raised to the power b divided by 2 whole raised to the power 2 minus b raised to the power a divided by 2 whole raised to the power 2 is equal to 17. Now if you notice here, these two terms can be taken as separately. So let us assume that the value of x is taken as a raised to the power b by 2 and the value of y is taken as b raised to the power a divided by 2. So technically what we can have here is x square minus y square is equal to 17. Now x square minus y square is x minus y multiplied by x plus y is equal to 17. Now if you notice, 17 being a prime number can have two variations. So the first one is 1 multiplied by 17 and the second one is 17 multiplied by 1. So in this case what can happen is it can take both the values over here. So let us take the first case, that is case number 1, where the pair that we have taken is 1 multiplied by 17. So we can say that the value of x minus y is 1 and the value of x plus y is 17. Now let us add both these equations together, and as soon as we add them together, the y component gets cancelled out. So the value of 2x comes out to be 18, which gives us the value of x as 9. Now let us substitute this value of x in the first equation over here. So x minus y is equal to 1. So that means the value of y would be x minus 1. Substituting this value of x into this equation, we get the value of y as 9 minus 1, which is 8. So this is the first possible answer for this particular set of equations. Now simultaneously let us solve the case number 2. So in case number 2, what we can have is x minus y is equal to 17 and the value of x plus y is equal to 1. Now let us add both these equations here. So the value of y gets kind of cancelled out. The value of 2x comes out to be 18. Again the value of x comes out to be 9. Now we have an equation where x minus y is 17. So 9 minus y is equal to 17. So in this case what we get is a negative value of y, which is then rejected. So that means the final values of x and y that we will be taking are 9 and 8. Now in order to calculate, if you remember, the ultimate objective was to calculate the values of a and b. So in this question what we have assumed is that the value of x is equal to a raised to the power b divided by 2 and the value of y is taken as b raised to the power a divided by 2. Now let us put these equations over here. So that this means that the value of a raised to the power b by 2 is a raised to the power b by 2 is 9 and b raised to the power a divided by 2 is equal to 8. Now let us divide both these equations together. So that means a divided by b whole raised to the power b divided by a can be written as 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 4 raised to the power 3. Now this means that this can be written as 3 raised to the power 3 divided by 4 whole raised to the power 3 by 4. Now on comparison what we get are the values of a, which is 4, and the value of b, which is 3. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.